Oh, look. Oh, what's he got for there now? Doing a lot of work for you. You're working hard on that.
Stop you.
It's all gonna fall off.
Which one do you like?
I mean,
Big one then. About that much.
oh my God.
Sticky way you're
Can I have some?
What have you got there?
Got a bit of Bollywood going on with it.
That is very pretty.
We've been making Easter bonnets with the children. They come in every fortnight and we do a different activity. Sometimes they'll bring their own in and they'll sort of take the lead on what we're doing, and other times our residents will. But we always try and make something that is a crossover that they're all able to do. Lovely, isn't it? You've got to make a little hole up and stick them in.
So we brought the children here to work with the residents, and we've actually made Easter bonnets together today. The children have chatted and played with the residents here. I've done a little bit of research into the integrational project and saw the benefits for both our children and the residents here. It's really good for communication skills, building up their confidence, resilience, and I can see week in, week out, how much it's benefited the residents as well as our children. They really are building up positive relationships, and our children are so excited. Every week when they see me in the corridor, they're saying, are we going this week? Are we going this week? Are we going this week? They absolutely love it.
I feel like it brings out the best in them. You see the best version of them. A lot of our residents worked in schools, worked around children, and that really comes out in them. They feed off the children. They don't need us to help them when the children are here, because the children just give them that boost, and an instinct in them comes out. It's lovely to watch.
Yeah, and you liked it, but I know. Yeah, I know. Look at that, man.
It's lovely, Pam.
Yeah, that's what this little one you've been doing. There you are.
There we are.
That is very pretty. Good, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Did you enjoy the kids coming in today?
Yes, it's very different.
Yeah.
I think they have got a good start in life when they come to a class like this.
Yeah. Do you think it's beneficial for them to meet older people?
Yes, not all the time, of course, but yes, to just know that the older people are there.
Yeah. But you enjoyed them coming in today?
Did, of course I did.
Are you looking forward to them coming in again?
Yeah.
Brilliant. And you made the hats. Do you enjoy making the hats with them?
The hat, yeah,
Yeah.
about the hat.
What do you enjoy about it, Pam?
Well, they enjoy it. So then they enjoy it too.
Yeah.
They love it. They got plenty of energy. Yes, they have.
You've got lots of energy
Too
too,
much.
though.
I have to keep up with them.
So you look forward to the kids coming in, do you?
Oh, yes, they're great.
Yeah.
They're no trouble, really.
Yeah.
You know, if you can handle them right, it's great. You know, and they're good. They do what they want to do.
Yeah.
And I'm glad that they can do what they want to do while I'm watching them doing it.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Brilliant.
Yay!